Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Safina.
My name is Brenda.
So, Brenda, today's topic of discussion is around parents gifting homes to their children, which are now owned by the child, and whether their partners can have any rights to that property or asset. So let me put it into context for you. I've had a client, a Pakistani girl. Her fathers gave her a home as a gift on her marriage, and she's now in some difficulties because the marriage is broken down, and he has indicated to her that he's going to make a claim against that home, and she's really quite worried. What can she do?
Not a lot.
Okay.
So yes, he can claim. So basically, assets solely or jointly owned go into the matrimonial pot, and they're divided fairly and reasonably. She can try and ring fence it and say it was acquired before the marriage, but the fact is she's married to him, and the court will look at the needs of the parties. So for example, if this was an asset that she acquired before the marriage, she has young children, and then there is also another property to be divided, the court may ring fence it, but in all matrimonial cases, the Section 25 factors apply. We have done a separate video about this, and those factors address matters such as the ages of the parties, the income, the needs, the housing needs, the children, any disability, any contributions. So yes, if there is an asset that was gifted to her, he can make a claim on it.
And I think in this particular scenario, Brenda, I don't know if you agree, the fact that it was given to her on her marriage, so it's not like premarital acquest that she herself has acquired before the marriage, if that makes sense. So the court might treat it slightly different when they're looking at the Section 25 factors, but I mean, you're absolutely right.
Yeah, it's a gift and she owns it and it's an asset. So it doesn't matter where it came from, it will fall into the matrimonial pot and it will be up for division.
So I think that's a really strong message from Brenda, and also a warning to people, because I think a lot of parents are giving inheritance to their children because they're also concerned about inheritance tax hikes and provisions. So while you might think you've beat it on that end, you could end up with your child in difficulty at the other end. So please do think and reflect and seek independent legal advice before taking that step, because nobody knows how long a marriage is going to last. And certainly Brenda and I, we've been in this game a long time, about 50 years between us plus more. So we've seen lots of these cases, and you don't want to end up in a difficult legal battle. Hopefully you found this content helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and keep those notifications on for further content. Thank you.